Hey, it's another little Wayne bite. Just a little taste of this and that. Are you suddenly in need of a new seasoning mix or spice mix? I've made a lot of spice mixes in the past. I have individual ones for beef, pork, chicken, and seafood, but today I've got a seasoning mix that's an all-purpose mix, and I think you'll love it. Now, before we get started, just a reminder, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get recipes, craft ideas, restaurant reviews, even travel tips, all in the same spot. Just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll always know when new videos are coming out. Now on to my little spice mix here. It starts with my little mini prep. I'll put the following ingredients inside of it. I've got 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Put all that together, put the top on that, and just pulse it a few times until everything is nicely blended. Then you're going to transfer that to an airtight container and you're good to go. I've got these little ball jars. They're actually awesome for that. They'll last for a really long time. Now this is a great flavor enhancer for any kind of dish. It's good before, during, or after the preparation process. It's good with pork, it's good with beef, it's good with seafood, it's good with chicken, and it's even good with vegetables. And it gives a nice little extra zing on just about anything you're eating. The ingredient list is in the information section down below, as well as links to my other spice mixes too. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Also leave me your comments. I'd love to know what you think about this recipe as well as other recipes I'll be doing in the future. Hey, thanks for spending time with me again today. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Take care.